you blind in social media? Social media is the term used to describe the interaction between groups or individuals in which they produce, share, and sometimes exchange ideas over the internet. Social media is responsible for greater communication and a wider range of relationships. Social network is transforming the manner in which young people interact with their parents, peers, and how they make use of technology. The effects of social networking are twofold. On the positive side, students can further explore more topics where they are interested in, since they may have limited resources and time in school. Adults can connect with other people all around the world to find new friends with their common passion and interest. Many companies use social networks such as Twitter and Facebook to connect with customers and prospective clients. This leads to a golden opportunity for job seekers to learn more about the organization and easily connect with the people who work there. Otherwise, on the negative side, social media also increase the number of crimes all around the world. Cybercrimes are crimes that are done using the modern technology, such as cyberbullying and sexual exploitation. Bullies have taken to the internet such as Twitter and Facebook, where they hide behind the anonymity provided by the internet to carry out their despicable acts. In sexual exploitation, we do not know what is the truth, but we just depend our choice on the choice of other people. In weighing the advantages and disadvantages, 65% said using social networks are advantageous, while the remaining percentage believe that there are more disadvantages to encounter with. However, most people, about 80%, said that they enjoy their current usage of social networks since they are like tools to refresh their mind after working for a long period of time, or to browse around when they are feel bored. After having the advantages and disadvantages of using social networks, are you willing to take the risk of having disadvantages into your life? Or worse, the disadvantages? Parents should always view their children's profile. Teach their child not to accept requests from unfamiliar people. Always be approachable and make them feel that you're always there for them. Lastly, when your child was being a victim of cybercrime, you, together with your child, should report your case to the authorities of respective social networking sites and contact police when serious threats are made. Blinded. Yes.